Today I'll be explaining what Aperture is and how it works. Welcome to a new video in a series of videos that will help you understand how your camera works in a simple and to the point manner. Aperture is the opening and closing of the blades in your lens, which helps allow or block off light from getting exposed to the sensor. Let me show you how it works.
Alright guys, so as you can see here is a diagram of the aperture in your lens. So to the left of me you see the larger aperture at f2. What this allows your lens to do is it blurs the background. So f2 allows the blurring of the background. So if you want to blur your background, and then if you want to stop your lens down to f22, for example in a landscape photo, and you want everything in focus, you would want to go down to like f22 or f16 or f18 depending on the situation. When you do that, the less light enters your lens, so you're going to have to adjust the ISO or the shutter speed to compensate for the light. So it's just like a triangle of exposures of light. You've got ISO, shutter speed and aperture. So the higher the aperture, the less light comes in, and the lower the aperture, the more light comes in. And the consequence of that is the blurring of the background and everything in focus.
Alright guys, so I've got my X100V. I'm about to shoot these two cups. I'll show you how it works. I'm going to shoot it first at f16 and then I'll shoot it at f2 and you'll see the difference in the photos, how they look. Alright, so just move to the side. So this is at f16. Alright, and then we'll go down to f2. Same shot. There we go. I hope this helped you understand how Aperture works and how it affects the image. In summary, the higher the f-stop number, the less light that enters the camera, and the lower the f-stop number, the more light that enters the camera. I will be explaining how this works in conjunction with shutter speed and ISO in the videos to follow. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't miss out. Till next time, keep shooting.